Okay, so Sonam is churning the milk. What are you making us?
So we are churning the milk, and
Yeah.
after this one, we'll make a butter.
Yeah.
And after that one, then we'll make the remaining with the cheese.
Okay. He's been very strong. Look at his muscles.
It's gonna take a while. Yeah.
He's going to be here all night. How many hours, Sonam?
Yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe it will give me a signal. I'm just joking. Later we're gonna have.
And how will we know when it's done?
So after a while, we're gonna see some butter being like a stick on this one, which means it's ready for the butter.
Okay. And then what will we use the butter for?
We can use butter for multiple purposes, like mostly for eatable, but along with that one, you can add anywhere.
Okay. Is it hard work?
Yeah, it is. It will take a while.
Going good? After an hour of very hard work and all of us churning, we've now made our very own butter. Look at this. Very good.
You can place on the wall, so that it becomes more
We've made
round.
everyone. Well done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow,
You have to collect all
beautiful.
this
I'm
small
feeling
pieces.
like I did it all myself. But I mean,
Put it down.
More. And this is left over from the butter.
Yes. Now for cheese, you have to put boiling water.
Yeah.
So this will separate cheese from the water.
Ah,
okay.
oh yeah.
Yeah, it's now. Now it's turning. Okay, guys, two of you, the lady, you go and wash your hand because we need to like later squeeze
Okay,
and
well,
stuff.
that's cool.
With your hand.
Have you washed your hands?
Oh, okay, that's a good question. So you have to basically to pull the cheese this side all together. Because now cheese it has all settled in
the middle?
at the bottom. Yep.
Like this.
Don't let the cheese get stick on the like a pan. So like try to move it all together, like you are doing a scratching.
Am I doing it right?
Yes.
Sure.
I think now. Tadi cuti tahu tu mana? Tu bah. Tangan kita macam nyamuk ni punya. Tadi cuti tangan mana? Nah, mapa ni giwa je ni tasik tak dulu. You have to. Like this, we have to squeeze.
Squeeze all the water out. I can try.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Very hot. Too much.
I make a little one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot. And then out here.
There is him if it is cold, then it will not come.
It's got to be hot.
Little bit hot. You have to squeeze all the water, huh? Yeah, you have to do like this. Squeeze
Super
all the
hot,
water.
hot.
The more you squeeze, better the cheese.
Okay.
Then it will last more. If there is a water,
Then it will go bad.
it will go bad.
It should be in a proper shape, huh?
Wow, tough. I actually called it for you.
Oh, thank you.
You can squeeze.
Yeah.
Keep squeezing. Take out all the water.
My cheese.
You have to do loose like this, not like this. You have to do loose. Not very tight also. You have to do little bit. You have to keep little bit gap. Oh.
Yeah, I know. See? Hot. Good? It's okay?
Yeah. You can put it here.
How's my one?
Yeah, this is nice.
Is that a nice one?
Yeah.
You see?
You
very
can put
good.
it here.
Bit too much
Keep on
water in there,
squeezing
no?
till it finishes. That's how they
Yeah, but it's hot, so now you okay. Mind it.
put